Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share how Rust loop works. Loop while for how this loop while for works. Let's first check how loop works. So loop create an infinite loops that continues until stop by break. So here, when the count reaches 6, then we break this loop to 6. Let's run to see the result. You can see it loops from 1 to 6 and the break after the count, which is 6. Let's see how while loop works. Here for a while, we continuously check the number isn't 0, and then we minus the number by 1 and check the condition in the while loop. You can see the number decreases in the while loop. Let's see example for loop. So for loop, it can range numbers. And it can also scan an array. You can see we can use for to scan the numbers, scan the array. Let's see another example that return result, return from loop. You can see we can assign a value written from this loop expression. here we break with a value that returns in this loop. Let's see, loop result. Yeah, you can see the result is 20 because when the counter becomes 10, then we multiply the counter by 2, so it returns 20. Let's see while late is useful destructure from an option or other enum values as long as the pattern matches. Let's see the option value. While late yes. First, we declare a mutable option value, and we use while late to pattern match the option value and destructure the value from the option. Then we check if the value is greater than none. If it's greater than none, we assign to none to it. If not, we print the value and assign a new value to increase the option value. Let's check. You can see it increase until none. Let's see another example to loop through array. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, and for index right here. So we loop through array's enumerate function, which returns the index and the value. Yeah, you can see we get the index and the value. That's all for today's share. Thanks for your watching.